maiden anniversary. Wishing more success in the upcoming features. Happy birthday, Shield Technology.
Time flies fast. Congratulations, Mr. Thamaditha Geet and all the dedicated co-workers for your efforts and accomplishment to achieve this great success and this great occasion to all of us to celebrate this wonderful journey. You are a valuable part of this team and the contribution to all the company are greatly appreciated. Thank you for being as a part of Shields to work together. Keep up your great work and let's keep on inspiring others to make the journey a success. On this special occasion, happy anniversary and have a great year ahead.
Congratulations to you on this very big occasion. It has been a wonderful journey altogether. Let's hope for the best in the coming years. Mr. Tamuditha, it has been my pleasure to work with you. The success you have achieved in 1 year is an inspiration for all of us. I hope to spend many more company anniversaries with you. Lastly, happy anniversary to one of the most dedicated and efficient co-workers in the office. You are a valuable asset to this company. Keep up in the excellent work. Thank you.
Congratulations and happy anniversary. My journey with Shield Technologies was very nice. It gave me more knowledge and exposure. Wishing more successes in the upcoming future. All the best for the Shield Technologies.
Hi, congratulations Shield Technologies and entire family for the first anniversary and many more wishes for the future success.
Creativity is thinking up new things. Innovation is doing new things. Shield Technologies, we are here to provide you innovative solutions for the ideas you want to take to the world. We started with a few, but now we are many. Not only in numbers, but also in talents and creativity. Congratulations Shield Technologies for completing a successful year. Happy first work anniversary and good luck in your future success.
Time flies fast. You all deserve a big round of applause for all your hard work and unconditional dedication. Cheers to future achievements and past glories. Congratulations and happy first anniversary to Shield Technologies.
Happy anniversary, Shield Technologies. As we celebrate our first year, I would like to thank a lot of people, starting with Mr. Tamadri Geet, Mr. Sarat Vijendra, and Mr. Hasakar Devindu, and followed by all our employees at Shield Technologies, past and present. Amazing, inspiring, and dedicated set of people whom I had the pleasure of working with for the past year. Shield Technologies has reached up to many heights, dealing with multiple of client and innovation projects during the last year. So, I genuinely hope that in the years to come, they will have the same impact as they had in the previous year. Finally, as we step into a new year, I just want to say I'm humbly proud and happy to be a part of this amazing journey and to be a part of this amazing Shield family. So, I just want to take this opportunity to wish you all the best and all the success in the future and wish you a very happy anniversary.
It is very special day for us. We're proud to be associated with the main anniversary celebration of the company. On this occasion, I would like to extend my heartfelt felicitation to the board of members, employees and the customers. My gratitude to the past board of directors and co-workers who laying down the foundation in the early stage. It has really been gratifying to be a founder and chairperson of Shield Technologies. Unfortunately, COVID-19 pandemic has come as a threat to us, to the country and all of humanity. It has not only engaged with the human life, but also crept to the global economy. Depends on. I would like to assure our stakeholders that we will have an update action plan to the cope with it and move ahead. We will continue and trustworthy work in our office or at homes whenever possible to serve customers and our stakeholders. Now, what matters most is what we do next in the coming years. Simply, we we will make your idea becomes real. For that, I'm confident and have complete faith in the leadership of our team and the team leaders and the dedicated teams. In the end, please allow me to thank the regulator body of all stakeholders for their activities and role of shaping our future. I'm thankful to the board of members for their active participation, healthy discussion, and most coming out of the Monday's discussion in our vital agenda. Meanwhile, I'm appreciating our employees' engagement and commitment performance in the whole year. So, also I would like to thank our friends, customers, and for our families. Thank you so much for the support and trust in Shield Technologies. Good luck and have a great year ahead. Happy Made anniversary.